Are you looking to dive into artificial intelligence and start building something today, but wondering where should you start? The AI field is changing so fast that there are so many resources available on the internet, which might make you feel overwhelmed. If your hands touch keyboard for work, big changes are coming your way that will transform your jobs in the coming years. And when something is going to change my life and work, I want to know everything about it. I want to learn how AI is made, how to work with it, and how to use it to make my job easier. In this video, I am excited to unveil a 4-step roadmap that you can follow to learn AI today. This simple yet powerful guide will provide you with clear and actionable steps to master AI and create groundbreaking solutions. So ready to transform your future? Let's get started. Jumping into artificial intelligence can be both exciting and a bit overwhelming. The AI field is changing so fast that it can make you uneasy and hard to keep up. New tools, models, and applications are coming out every day, making it a constantly evolving area. AI has mainly two powerful uses, one as a consumer and other as a builder. Now, you being somebody in the technology should be looking to build solutions using AI rather than just consuming it. So let's get started. Here is what we are going to cover. First, we will lay technological foundation where you will know about the essential technology skills required to become an AI engineer. Next step is about building theoretical foundation, delving into essential AI topics you need to know. Then we will integrate AI with the cloud where you will onboard what you have learned in previous two steps over to popular cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP. Finally, we will tackle real-world projects showing you how to bring your AI ideas to life. So let's get started. And just note, even if you have no background in machine learning, mathematics, statistics, and programming, I hope you would still be able to take away some useful insights from here. So let's dive into the first step of this journey. In Technology Foundations, I'm covering some of the essential technical skills that you must have. First and foremost is learning Python. Python is the most important skill for AI engineers. So Python is like a Swiss Army knife for programming languages, which is versatile, powerful, and easy to use. It's a go-to language for AI because of its rich libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit, which make building complex models a breeze. Imagine being able to analyze huge datasets with just a few lines of code, or creating a chatbot that can hold a conversation like a human. With Python, you can do all this and more, making it an essential tool in your AI toolkit. Although there is a wide ground to cover, but what you need to focus most essentially when it comes to Python is data types, data structures which are commonly used, and focus on programming constructs like loops, conditionals, and functions, and also learn a little bit about object-oriented programming as it will make it easy for you to operate with Python. For the large language model development as well, Python provides rich libraries like LangChain and Hugging Face that makes the entire process of implementing GenAI solutions easier and manageable. It's your best friend on the journey. And here I'm including some of the key resources that you can use to learn Python quickly. You will find them in the description box. Now, after Python, second thing you need to learn is IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. It's like a workshop for coding, giving you all the tools you need in one place. With an IDE, you can write, test, and debug your Python code easily, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Imagine having features like auto-completion of code, error detection, and powerful debugging tools at your fingertip. IDEs like Visual Studio Code or Jupyter can significantly speed up your AI projects, helping you to focus on creating amazing solutions. My personal favorite is Visual Studio, as it feels like home with its robust features and user-friendly interface, being a long-time Microsoft user. Getting comfortable with these tools will make your coding journey a lot more enjoyable and productive. Next technology you need to learn is a version control system. It is a tool that helps you track changes to your code over time. It lets you save different versions of your project, making it easy to collaborate with others and revert back previously made changes if needed. Git is one of the most popular version control systems that helps you keep track of changes in your code. You can install it in your local machine and play around. There's a lot more to learn when it comes to Git, but all you need to know to get started are some of the basic commands which are flashed on the screen. As long as you know them, you would be good to get started. There is sometimes this confusion as well between Git and GitHub, so to clear it up, Git is a tool, while GitHub is like an online home where you store and share your code and projects. Learning Git will make your coding life much easier and keep everything organized. Next, let's talk about APIs, or Application Programming Interfaces. You think of APIs as a bridge that allows different software systems to talk to each other. They work on a request and response mechanism where you send a request to the API and it sends back the data you need. In the context of generative AI, APIs are used to make requests to AI models, allowing you to integrate powerful AI capabilities into your application seamlessly. To draw a comparison with ChatGPT application, when you are typing in a question which is said to be a prompt, it goes there as a request to the API behind the scene. And when you get a response from GPT, that is the kind of formal response coming back from the APIs which is given to you in the form of the completion. Now, once you have been through these technical skills, let us now look at building theoretical foundations. But before we dive into the theoretical foundations, let us clear a very common misconception about machine learning. While having a background in machine learning is beneficial, it is not an absolute necessity to begin your AI journey. You can start with the basics and build your knowledge step by step. The first thing we will talk about in the theoretical foundation is neural network. They are the backbone of many AI models. At a high level, neural networks mimic the human brain, using layers of neurons to process data. Techniques like forward propagation and backward propagation help these networks learn. Forward propagation sends data through the network, while backward propagation adjusts the weight using gradient descent to minimize errors. These processes enable the network to make accurate predictions. There is another type of neural network which is called as convolutional neural network, which is mainly used in the image analysis field. But with the advent of generative AI, we mainly deal with transformers. Transformers are powerful models designed for handling sequential data like language. Unlike traditional neural network, transformers use mechanisms called attention to focus on different parts of the input data, making them extremely effective for tasks like language translation and text generation. I'm including the link to learn more about transformers here in the description box, so please take a look at that. Well, after learning about transformers, the next thing that you need to focus on is embedding. Embeddings are a way to represent data in a lower dimensional space. For example, in natural language processing, words are converted into numerical vectors that capture their meanings and relationships. This makes it easier for AI models to process and understand language. With that, we are done with the theoretical foundations that you need to build to get started. Next, we will move on how do you marry these skills over to the cloud. Welcome to step 3, where we integrate AI with the cloud. Building AI at scale simply isn't feasible without the power of cloud platforms. The cloud makes it incredibly easy to build, deploy, and scale AI solutions, offering unparalleled resources and tools. Let's start with AWS. Amazon Bedrock is a key service for generative AI, providing a platform to build and scale AI models with ease. Remember the Python skills and IDE we covered in the stage 1? You will use those here to write and manage your code. APIs also come into play when you want to connect your AI models with other services like large language models and embedding models. Next, we have Azure. The Azure OpenAI service allows you to access powerful AI models like GPT, enabling you to create advanced AI applications. The theoretical knowledge from stage 2, like understanding neural network and transformers, will be crucial here as you develop and fine-tune these models. Again, your Python skills and IDE familiarity will help you code efficiently, and APIs will be essential for integration. Finally, there's Google Cloud Platform. Google Vertex AI is a comprehensive suite of tools for developing and deploying AI models. It simplifies the entire AI lifecycle from training to deployment with powerful integration options. Your understanding of embeddings and other AI concepts will be invaluable as you work with these tools. To get familiar with these cloud AI services, it's a great idea to pursue their respective certifications. For Azure, consider AI 900 certification. For AWS, the upcoming AWS AI Practitioner certification will be invaluable. These certifications provide a solid foundation and validate your skill in using these powerful cloud platforms. Welcome to stage 4, where we will bring all your learning to life with real-world projects. Applying your knowledge to real-world scenarios is crucial to mastering AI. Let's look at some of the project ideas you can start building today. For a start, you could create a sentiment analysis tool that analyzes customer reviews to determine their sentiment. It's a great way to practice using pre-trained models and APIs. Or how about a personalized news aggregator? Use Python to fetch and categorize news based on user interests. If you're ready for more complexity, try building a customer support chatbot. This project will challenge you to use NLP techniques and integrate your chatbot with a web application. Another exciting idea is an AI-powered recommendation system, which can suggest products or content based on user behavior. You'll get to apply machine learning techniques and deploy your models on the cloud using these scenarios. For something unique, consider an automated resume screening tool that helps recruiters by ranking resumes based on job description. Finally, you can create an image classification system to categorize images into different classes using pre-trained models. These projects will not only enhance your skills, but also make you stand out as an AI engineer. I'll provide the links and references to resources from AWS, Microsoft GCP, and as well as from GitHub in addition, so you can get started. Now finally, to recap, we started with the technological foundation, covering essential tools like Python, IDE, and Git. Then we explored theoretical foundations, diving into key AI concepts like neural network, transformers, and embeddings. In stage 3, we integrated AI with the cloud, leveraging platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP. Finally, we brought it all together with real-world projects, giving you a practical idea to apply your knowledge. Thank you for joining me on this journey to mastering generative AI. Remember, the key to success is continuous learning and practical applications. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's keep learning and building together. See you in the next video.